In this video I show you an unboxing of the WD Elements 18 terabyte.
This is the good stuff.
A Western Digital hard drive, an external hard drive, Western Digital or WD Elements.
Talking about the box, not sure what's happening here. Nothing serious though. Got hit on this corner. Impact right here. Would you return this?
Yeah, it looks like someone was playing football with it. Not sure.
Because of this, should I return it?
Yeah, I didn't return it. I needed the drive, so you will see later that the cushioning inside is very strong, very good.
Windows 10 Plus. Plug it into the power on the wall adapter, AC adapter. Connect to the PC with the USB. That's all.
The box is just the usual with the usual graphics. It's a simple external hard drive for a computer. Connects via USB 3.0 to your computer, and you can save files on it and use it as a normal hard disk. It's good to check that if it's sealed. It is sealed, so that's great. Nobody opened it before I received it. And let's see what's inside the box.
Okay. Interesting, these ones are not sealed. Something new. The power adapters. I like this more actually. Power adapters no need to be sealed. It's interesting, it's a different power adapter, K-Tech. Oh, different system, wow. I don't like it when they change it all the time. Maybe it's not different. Pretty ingenious like this. Maybe it's really the same system. One and a half meters, 2 meters. Pretty good. USB 3. It's long enough for a hard drive. Good quality. Contact support. This packing is made to take really shocks really well. Oops. Keep them for later in case you need it. think they changed the color from black to gray. Kind of. I think I have an old one, 14 terabytes, and it's black. I think this one is gray. Maybe they're the same. Okay. Wow, first try. Data cable. Power cable. Okay, the first and most important thing when you get a new hard drive, make sure it starts first time. New hard drive might not start at all. Yeah, no thanks. That was a nice trick there. $200 looks pretty nice. 224 copying speed from NVMe PCI 4, so for sure there's no NVMe limitation. Only limitation here is the USB and the hard drive. 236 mega per second. That's pretty nice. Even more quiet. The fan noises from the computer are more loud than the disk drive. There are no clicking, probably because it's all sequential now. There is no clicking, it's writing sequentially on the disk in the ideal situation. Oh, few clicks.
I bought this drive because of the price per terabyte was really low for the moment, and I could have taken a 14 terabyte maybe or 16 terabyte option, but this was the price per terabyte was cheaper for me in this location. It depends each time, things are changing. The 20 terabyte hard drives are getting a bit cheaper now.
It's really very quiet.
It's pretty quiet, but not as quiet as the hard disk I had before. The hard disk, my 14 terabyte hard disk, that one is 5400 RPM. This is 7200 RPM, and it's a bit noisier, but also the performance is faster. Watch the following videos with the speed test and what I did with it.